Hello, welcome. Again, we are solving some questions of strength of material. The topic is shear force and bending moment diagram, bending stresses, combined bending and torsion. Question number 45 to question number 48 carry a common statement. The statement is a composite steel timber section is shown in figure. The young moduli of core 2 material ES is equal to 200 GPa, ET is equal to 20 GPa. This section is subjected to bending moment M. Okay. So this is 80, this is 80, this is 10, this is 10, this is 100. Okay, this is 100. This is of steel, this is of timber. Okay. So question number 45. If the maximum stress developed in the timber is 10 MPa, then the maximum stress developed in the steel is option A 62.5 MPa, option B 80 MPa, option C 70 MPa, option D 72.5 MPa. Okay. Question number 46 based on same statement. If the maximum stress developed in the steel is 100 MPa, then the maximum stress developed in timber is option A 9 MPa, option B 11 MPa, option C 19.5 MPa, option D 15 MPa. Question number 47. Equivalent moment of inertia of timber section is 12650 mm4, 168 560 mm4, 83333 mm4, and D 16666 mm4. Okay. Question number 48. If the permissible stress in the timber is 10 MPa and in the steel is 100 MPa, the value of M is option A 2.52 kN/meter, option B 3.373 kN/meter, option C 3.024 kN, and option D 4.047 kN/meter. Okay. So this is your timber section, this is your steel section, and this height is 80 mm, this height is 100 mm. Okay, this height is 100 mm. Okay, and this width is 10 mm, this width is 10 mm. Okay, so consider this as 22 and this as 11. So 22 is the outermost fiber of the timber section. Okay, now it is given that the maximum in the first question. It is given the maximum stress in the timber is 10 MPa. So maximum stress in the timber will occur at section 2 because it is the extreme outermost fiber. Okay. So if the stress in the timber is 10 MPa, then the stress taking sigma by y as constant. So sigma 2 to t, taking this section only. Okay, sigma t to 2 to t by y2 y2. Okay, is equal to sigma 1 t by y1. Y2 is distance of extreme fiber from the neutral axis. This is y2, and y1 is distance of 1 section from the neutral axis. Okay, and this is by bending equation because sigma by y is constant. Okay, so y2 is your this extreme fiber distance is 10. Sorry, y2 is your 50 or by 50 or 100 by 2 because ratio is, and y1 is your 80 by 2. Okay, so 2 will cancel out. y2 is your 100 by 2 and y1 is your 80 by 2. Okay, so from this we get sigma 11 t is equal to 8 MPa because sigma 22 is your 10 MPa. Okay, so let us change it also. Okay, so sigma 11 t will be your 8 MPa. Okay, now the now we have found out the strain in stress at 11 MPa. So as this portion and this portion 11 portion is collinear for steel and timber. Okay, so they will have same strain. Okay, so sigma 11 T, sorry, epsilon 11 T should be equal to epsilon 11 S. Okay, so sigma 11 T by Et is strain in timber, and sigma 11 S by Es is strain in steel. This is your steel. Okay, so as we have found out the sigma 11 T, so this is 8 by 20. Timber, the Young's modulus of timber is 20, and this is your sigma 11 by 200. Okay, ES is 200. Young's modulus of elasticity of steel is 200, and for timber it is 20. So sigma 11 S is your 80 MPa. Okay, so it is your 80 MPa. Okay, so the uh, stress in the timber is 80 MPa. So answer to first question is option B. Now second question is the maximum stress in the steel is 100 MPa. So now we will follow the reverse order. Now sigma 11 S is given. The maximum sigma 11 S is your maximum stress in steel is 100 MPa. Sigma 11 S is given. So just follow the reverse order to that. Okay. So sigma 11 S by Es is equal to sigma 11 T by Et, keeping the strain same here. Okay, so it will be sigma 11 T will be your 10 MPa. Okay, now sigma 11 T is known, so we can find out sigma 22 T from this. Sigma 22 T by 2, sigma 11 T by 1, or we will have, this is your 10, so 10 by 4 into 5, that is 12.5 MPa. So answer to question number 46 is 12.5 MPa. Okay. Next is equivalent moment of inertia. Equivalent moment of inertia in case of timber section. So we'll take the moment of inertia of timber section. Timber section is 100 into 100. So it is 100 into 100 cube by 12, and the steel section is of rectangular section. So this is 10. So 10 into 80 cube by 12. As there are two sections, so we multiply by 2, and we have to find out the equivalent timber section. So we'll multiply by M. M is your ratio of moduli ES by ET. So that is 200 by 20. That is 10. So it is 168,666,66. So M is your ES by M is S by E. Okay. So next is question number 48 is we have to find out the permissible the value of M is the permissible stress in timber is 10 MPa and in steel is. Okay. So when we take the stress for timber as 10 MPa, as we have solved here, sigma 11 T is 10 MPa, maximum permissible 10 MPa. So the stress comes in steel is 80 MPa, so which is less than the permissible stress. If we take 100 MPa for steel, then the stress in the steel comes up 12.5 MPa. Okay, stress in the timber comes up 12.5 MPa. So for the safe limit, we will take sigma 11 T as sigma 22 T as 10 MPa. Okay, so 10 MPa. Okay, so using that 10 MPa, Y is your 50, and I is we have found out in case of timber. So from this we can find out bending moment, that is 3.373 kilonewton meter. Okay. So answer is option